demonstration video on this Ted Williams outboard motor. I believe it's about a 5-horse. Starts right up, idles well. It's in neutral right now. It does pump water. It's an air-cooled engine with a water-cooled exhaust, and a water pump is working on it. It has neutral, so there's forward gear. Not terribly fast, but it runs good. Starts right up, idles right down. Fuel pump's working. It's got the tank on top, and it also can use a remote tank. I'm running it on the remote tank right now. That's just me idling it down. Okay, that ought to do it. Thank you for watching.